Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nanno. In this video, I'll show you my new crochet treasure discovery from Hobium yarn website for luxury Turkish yarn collections. It's super adorable with fast delivery service and best prices ever. You can find all links in the description box below. They have many yarn, crochet hooks, gift sets and more. Let's open this package together. Wow, this is super beautiful. I love the colors. Lollipop yarn. It's beautiful for summer and springtime. Look at these pretty colors. It's suitable for summer projects. I like this material for summertime. This will be one of my favorites. Oh, I love this bag. It's made from natural materials. It's suitable for summertime and big enough to put all you need to crochet. This will be my favorite bag for my crochet materials. So cute bunny. So cute. I love it. This is the second selected color from Lollipop collection. It has super beautiful colors. This is ocean view crochet accessories and buttons. This is Lauren paper yarn for home decoration projects. I will try it in next projects. The next one is Yarn Art Jeans Plus. It's super soft and fluffy for babies and kids projects. It's suitable for summer and springtime. It's very comfort with beautiful color palette. You can check the palette in the description box below. I love it. The next one is Macrame Cordobo. It's very strong and shiny for bags and home decor projects. It has many pretty colors. I get another one with gold color. Super beautiful gold colors, suitable for bags and accessories. I get some crochet hooks and accessories. First one, Lamia handmade crochet hook from rosewood natural material. Let me first try it and tell you in the next videos my review. It's only available on www.hobbyyarns.com. I get another one with different size. I get another one called Pony Perfect. Heart flexible. I want to try this kind of crochet hook. Create beauty with pony. I will try it and tell you. Wow, shiny buttons. It's like a real jewelry. Beautiful. Some stickers, hashtag love Hobium. Small handmade label and 4 bonbon makers. So cute. Thank you, Hobium. I love your products. It's make me happy. I am so happy with this crochet discovery, luxury product, fast delivery and best prices. Thank you for watching. If you like it, gives me big thumbs up to see more. See you. Bye bye.